Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using both Zelle and Cash App for different transactions, but when I needed to move money from Zelle to Cash App, I realized that there is no direct way to do it. If you are in the same boat, here is the simple workaround that gets the job done. First of all, you need to transfer the money from Zelle to your linked bank account. So since Zelle sends money directly to your bank, you need to ensure that the funds are deposited into an account that you can access through Cash App. Most Zelle transactions are instant, but depending on your bank, it might take a few minutes. Next, you need to add the same bank account to your Cash App application. For that, you need to open Cash App and then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be landed in your account where you just have to scroll down a bit and select the option of linked banks. After selecting this option, you will see the link bank option. So you need to simply tap on that and then it will redirect you on this link bank account page where you just have to press continue in the bottom. So on the next page, you will see a bunch of different banks that you can basically add to your Cash App. So as I said earlier, you will have to simply select the same bank that you have added in your Zelle account for the payment. After that, you just have to provide your username and password associated with your bank, and you need to simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully link that bank into your Cash App account. Now, once it is linked successfully, you need to go to the banking tab and there you need to tap on the add cash and enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then you just have to confirm that. The funds will move from your bank into your Cash App balance usually within 1 to 3 business days. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.